Your reverse fly machine is intended for the back of your shoulders. For that setting, this machine, we want to set it at a setting of number 4. Basically, where the handles are into the machine. We are going to face the machine once we sit into it, but before we do so, make sure that you adjust your seat accordingly by pulling on the red handle. You can go down or up. At which point, we want to make sure that you adjust the weight stack, okay? Because your shoulders are a lot smaller than your pec, you're probably going to do a lot less weight. From here, you're going to extend your arms out, okay? And execute the movement by giving yourself a nice deep breath in and exhaling on the way back. Activating and engaging those rear delts.